So now what I'd like to do is place a few icons on the right hand side of each project, and each icon will do a different thing. For example, a trash can icon to delete the project, a pencil to edit it, and a tick to complete it. Now you can use whatever icon you want, but I'm going to be using material icons, which you can find at material.io. Now I will leave this link attached to this lecture so you can view them yourself. And to get started, we're going to click on this developer guide. Now there's actually a few different ways we can set up material icons. We'll be using the icon web font. So scroll down until you see this, and then setup method 1 is just to grab this link tag and paste it in our HTML file. So that's what we'll do. Copy this and then come back over here, go to index.html and place it in the head. Okay, so now we can use any material icon inside our different components. So let's just go back and take a look at these icons. So we can use any of these different icons right here, and I'm going to use this one, this tick, to complete a project called done. So I'm going to click that and then click down here where it says selected icon, and this will give you the HTML snippet you need to use this icon. So I'm going to copy that and then go to our single project component, and inside the actions is where I want to place the icons, but I'm going to place them all inside a separate div with a class of icons just for stylistic purposes, so we can style things differently later on. And then I'm going to paste in this little snippet and tidy it up. So you can see it's a span, and also it has a class of material icons. Whenever we use a material icon, it has that class, and then this is the name of the icon. So when material icons sees this, it's going to replace it with the little tick. Okay, so we need 2 more of those. So I'm going to duplicate this, and the second one is going to be edit. I'm not going to go and search for it because I know what I'm going to use. Edit, and that looks like a pencil. And then the third one is going to be delete, and that looks like a trash can. And in fact, what I'll do is I'll put the tick or the done right at the end. So let me cut that and paste it right down here. So now we can see we have 3 icons. If we preview this in a browser, we should see those 3 icons right there. Now I don't want them to be here. I want them to be way over on the right hand side of the project. So let me first of all come back and style this actions thing right here so that it displays as flexbox. And when something displays as flexbox, it takes the immediate children, which is this h3 and this div, and it puts them next to each other on the same row. So I'm going to come down to the styles and paste in my action selector, display flex, justify content space between. That means it puts space between the thing on the left, which is the H3, and the thing on the right, which is the icons. So we do that, and then align items to the center. That means vertically they align centrally as well. So let me save this and take a look, and that is looking a bit better. Now I also want to style the material icons themselves. So we can see that each one of these has a class of material icons, so we need to target that. And if I scroll down here, I'm going to paste in another style. So we target material icons, we increase the font size, the margin left of each icon is 10 pixels, just to spread them out a little bit. Then the color of each icon is a gray color. The cursor is pointer, so we know we can click them. And then when we hover over them, we deepen the gray color. So if we save that, that looks a bit better. And we can see as we hover over them, they go a bit deeper. Awesome. So we have our icons in place. Next up, I'm going to show you how to delete projects by clicking this icon right here.